Northbound coming, and the signal blinking yellow. It's gonna pull on the side, but we're not gonna stay for the southbound. Yep, there it is. Coming. Moving slow. Oh, yeah. Let's back up a little bit. Coming. Coming yet? It's coming. Just don't go too close. Right there. Moving slow. Huh? Yeah. Moving really slow. Not going very fast at all. And I think it's L533, but we'll see. Getting closer. Not quite. Okay, back up a bit. Come on, train, hurry up. It's moving slow. Probably because it's gonna pull in the siding. Yep. We're not gonna stay for the southbound, no, that's okay. We can catch it on the webcam. Coming. Around 7:30-50. Getting closer. Yeah, it's the little one. Yep. The L533. I can't tell. Big white, but moving really slow. Coming. Comes. Here. Check. There it is. Yeah, here it comes. It's getting closer now. Moving slow though. Here it comes. I don't know if I hear the gate yet. I thought I heard the gate. Let me check. Because I can't tell if I hear the train or not. Yeah, there it is. Coming. Getting closer. It's right there. Here it comes. New Haven, Michigan. Here comes New Haven, Michigan. I can't tell if I hear it. Thought I heard it. I don't know if I hear the gate yet. Here comes New Haven, Michigan. I hear it. Here comes New Haven, Michigan. Whoa, there, coming. Yeah. I'm staying here. It's getting close. It's like right there. Yeah, even Michigan. Here comes New Haven, Michigan. There's moving so slow. Ah, man. That's alright. Here. I'll be right back. Really? Jeez. I'm coming. I'm just getting the signal. Oh, hang on. Alright guys, New Haven, Michigan.